So I'm a little bit tired and I'm not going to be doing any fancy edits, so this is be kind of a raw video, but I want to give you an update on Operation Workbench here in the garage. Let's start over here. I moved the air conditioner and hose reel over here to a more proper garage location, and also built a new shelf and painted it. Now let's pan over here. Real quick, I got my new Yamaha Bluetooth 5.1 receiver in. It works absolutely kick butt. And eventually I will have the TV hooked up to it, but right now I moved the TV over to this part of the garage and installed a new full motion wall mount. I think it was only like $30 for this thing on Amazon, but man, that thing is just awesome. Awesome. All kinds of adjustments and extra hardware I can use for other projects. And that went in. That's the first thing I did this morning when I woke up, is I took the TV down from right there and moved it over there. Just got done painting. It's about 84 degrees out right now, so it's really perfect for drying. Cleaned all that area up. And over here is where the majority of my work has been done. Went down to Lowe's and grabbed another gallon of paint, and they sent me to Sherwin-Williams, 2 locations in Norman, to find the correct color, or someone that knew what they were doing. This right here is where the vise goes. I took it off for painting, and I used a mini roller, and man, I tell you, that is really cool. Right there where I'm pointing to is where I want to put a cabinet. And I found one online for about $125, and I just might slap a Craftsman badge on it. Also grabbed a couple more blue storage bins. Before they disappear off a shelf. So again, guys, no fancy edits. Just wanted to give you some good raw video here with an update on Operation Workbench. Thanks for watching. See you next time.